Hey, it's Jason. I'm here with the 2003 Land Rover Range Rover L322. And with any Land Rover, specifically the L322, if it sits for, I would say 2 weeks, you're not going to have enough charge to get the battery going. There's electronics that will draw it down. This car I was starting, but I haven't been driving it. And the battery was installed 7 months ago, and I was convinced to use AAA because it was a good price and they had a 3-year warranty. Well, lo and behold, the battery has a charge so low, my battery charger won't charge it. And I'm using the NoCo Genius G3500. It's airing out, and when it airs out, it typically means the battery's too low. I can't get it jumped off of my Silverado, on my Colorado, I should say. I'm using a little pickup. So I'm hoping it's just somehow this 7-month-old battery got drained so low, and it's so cold out today, it's like 20 degrees, it's causing an issue. What I'm really disappointed about is AAA told me today, oh, Jason, we're sorry, we do not stock that battery anymore, so your warranty is no good. So theoretically, I would have gotten a free replacement battery. In this case, I'm getting nothing. I'm going to put a proper battery in this vehicle from Napa. I'm not going to, dilly-dally with AAA anymore. I'm just going to write it off. And I am going to test this battery with another tester and see what's going on. But it's there's a reason why for these D1s, I have these. And I'm going to put another one in for this L322 because it's a huge pain with the draw. And if these things don't have perfect charge, it seems like they don't want to start up. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Oh, what I was going to show actually is, after I was complaining, to get these batteries out, a lot of people may know this, but think of this more for the novice. You'll basically just, unscrew each of these with a 10 millimeter socket. And I would always use the, the one with an extension, so you don't have to get your hands too far down. But what you're going to quickly discover is it's very difficult to get the battery out. You're going to have to remove the struts for the hood, and they usually go here. And what you do is you pop this lever back, and then it just pops off, and then the hood will go all the way back. So definitely just do that. It takes 2 seconds, and it will make your life a lot easier. And hopefully I'll get this battery out. I'm probably going to go get it tested and maybe get a replacement put in. Thanks for watching. And as you can see here, I have the hood unlatched from the air struts, completely upright. But it's really important, especially days like today, that you put in this latch so that way it cannot fall down on you. So you'll basically take that and hook to this little hole. So what you can see I've done here is I've taken this and you just hook it, because now the hood cannot fall. It's protected. And you would do that on both sides because you don't want to be in a position where the hood falls down on your head. So same process over here. You'll basically just take your hand and push this down like so. Let me get my screwdriver to help. Every video I've done the past couple weeks, it's been so cold I can barely feel my hands sometimes. So you'll basically just take this and push it down like that, and then it will latch in the hole. So you can see I have this one now latched as well. So if I go to move the hood, it's not going anywhere. And this will allow me to very easily pull the battery straight up and out.